Sell smarter, not harder, on Shein Marketplace with M2E Connect. Shein offers no hidden fees, free marketing opportunities, and millions of buyers ready to shop. As of 2025, Shein counts around 74.7 million active shoppers worldwide. It was the second most downloaded shopping app in 2024. With growth like this, the question isn't if your products can sell here, it's how soon you'll get started. And with M2E Shein integration, you can list your products on Shein, sync your inventory and orders automatically, and reach this massive audience without extra effort. Shein opens the door to buyers across the US, UK, Europe, Brazil, and Mexico. Each region brings millions of shoppers looking for their next purchase. And with categories spanning far beyond fashion, Shein is the perfect place to showcase your products and turn that demand into sales. With Shein integration by M2E, entering this marketplace is simple. List products directly from your e-commerce platform to Shein. Sync inventory, prices, and product details automatically so your listings stay up to date. Import Shein orders into your store system and manage them alongside your existing sales. No overselling stress. M2E updates stock based on your store inventory so customers can only buy what you actually have available. Shein is shaping the future of e-commerce and connecting millions of buyers every day. Start selling with Shein integration by M2E. Automate your sales and put your products in front of a global audience.